Nonverbal communication in education is important no less than virtual and verbal communication. When we talk about communication, we often mean what we say. Communication is much more than the words. Nonverbal communication is a process of sending and receiving messages without using words. People get approximately 35% of information through verbal communication and 65% through nonverbal communication in daily life. Here are some examples of nonverbal communication. Facial expressions, eye contact, the voice and pitch of the voice, diction. Gestures displayed through body language, the physical distance between the communicators. Here are some numbers on how we use nonverbal communication. 55% of information we perceive through body language. 38% through how one speaks. And 7% through other types of nonverbal communication.